revolution has transformed our world, reshaping how we live, work, and interact. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a groundbreaking field, creating intelligent machines that mimic human intelligence. In this video, we'll explore the essence of AI, its advantages and disadvantages, seeking a deeper understanding of this transformative force. AI is the creation of intelligent machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. It encompasses machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics, enabling machines to learn, reason, and make autonomous decisions. AI has revolutionized industries like healthcare, enabling accurate disease diagnosis and improved treatment. It has streamlined manufacturing processes and enhanced customer service with virtual assistants and chatbots. The potential applications of AI are limitless, promising breakthroughs in transportation, cybersecurity, agriculture, and more. Concerns exist regarding job displacement due to automation, potentially leading to unemployment. Ethical issues such as privacy, bias, and the development of autonomous weapons also need addressing. Responsible regulation is crucial to ensure AI's safe and ethical development and use. The AI revolution brings incredible potential for innovation and transformation. Balancing progress with human well-being is key. By harnessing AI responsibly, we can shape a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously, leveraging AI's power to solve complex problems and forge a better tomorrow.